This move instructions is R1 comma R2 in 8085, means the content of R2 will be copied into the R1. Same instructions are in a different function for 8086. What are the functions? Say like 1 for move. Whatever done in 8085, same over here. Move AH comma BH. What does it mean? Higher byte of BH will be copied into the higher byte of AH. Right?
Mm.
BH, you know, AH, you know.
So H mean higher byte, no?
No, no, yes, yes. I already explained you, na? AX, BX, CX, DX, registers,
Yes, sir. Yes,
and
sir.
AX also dividing into the 2-3 part. Not describe.
Mm.
Just see. AX is HBL, BX is BHBL, CX is CHCL, DX is DHDL. So this BH content will be copied into the H.
Age.
Mm.
Right?
Yes, sir.
This is the number 1. Number 2, move AH, comma 32. What does it mean? Similar like MVI. After the instructions, H should be 32H. Means you can store any data directly with the help of move instructions. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So move H, comma 32 means you can store 32 means is an example. You can store any data or you can store any register. So this data will be stored into that particular, register, right? So this is an
Yes, sir.
example of register addressing mode, whereas same instruction is used for immediate addressing mode, right?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another function, number 3, move H, comma within third bracket SI. Within third bracket SI. What is the meaning of SI? You ever learn SI? SI কোনো সময় শুনেছো?
Yes, sir. Offsetter যে points ছিল SI.
Offset register. What are the full name of SI?
Source index.
Source index, not sub inspector.
Yes.
It's a source index, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
so it's a source index. So, physical source index pair with which segment register?
The DS.
DS.
Data
Yes,
Very
center.
good.
yes.
Very good.
DS
So,
and SI.
DS and SI maybe generate a physical address. Maybe it is 1, 3, 4, 5. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe. So the content of that particular memory location, say AB. This AB will be coming into the AH register.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Number 4. Move, say, BX within third bracket 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4. Okay. What does it mean? These memory locations will be generate a physical address. This memory location will be generate a physical address with the DS. Why, sir? Because whenever I am pairing, if you recall, then you can see I'm mentioning with direct also. I'm mentioning it is a direct also.
Direct. ES or DS.
So DS, always DS. DS when DS full, then ES will be act as a DS. That's why the function of ds. So
Yes.
whenever I'm talking, always talking with the ds.
Hmm.
So direct pair with ds. So basically, next again, ds and
DI. DI.
not di. 1 3 3
SI.
4.
Okay.
Generate a physical
Okay.
address.
Mm.
Means say the value of ds say 4000 each. What will be happen? 4000 into
4,000 into 10H,
10
10H.
each means 40,000
40,000.
40,000
Mm.
plus
Plus 1.
1 3
offset.
3 4
4.
means
Yes.
4 1 3 3 4.
4.
So the content of 4 1 3 3 4, say it's a AB, and 4 1 3 3 5, say it's a CD. These two memory locations content will be coming into the BX. BX means it's a
BH, BL.
BH and it's a BL.
Yeah.
So it's a
Higher memory location, higher.
CD and AB.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Absolutely.
that is the function actually.
Yes, sir.
So it's a different function, it's a different function, it's a different function, it's a different function. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sometime if this registers is a 16-bit, so it's a 16-bit operations. If this register is a 8-bit, then it will be 8-bit operations. It may be 8-bit operations, it may be 16-bit operations. Is it clear?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Mm.
Next.
স্যার
Yeah.
তাহলে আমরা কোনো একটা মানে যদি AH AL বা BH এসব দিই তাহলে 8 বিট
8-bit.
আর AX DX 16 বিট
CX, DX, if
Oh.
I'm given, then it will
ওগুলো
be 16-bit operation.
হায়ার বাইট বলে
16
ওগুলো 16 বিট।
No, it is a AX. AX means together.
টুগেদার AX
এই যে দেখো,
হ্যাঁ
A
বাবা,
and
H
L
আর A
together is called
মিলে তো
A.
হচ্ছে X. Yes, sir.
BH and BL together is called BX.
বিএক্স।
CH and CL is together is called CX.
CX
And
Hmm.
DH and DL is together is called DX.
DX
Yesterday I am given a addressing mode.
Yes, sir.
Shown it. First 8 addressing mode will be discussed. First 8 addressing mode will be discussed.
স্যার একদিন বলেছিল না যে 8086 টা বলে দেবে ওই
Huh?
আগের দিন তো স্যার বলেছিলেন এটা ডেসক্রাইব করে দেবেন 8086 এর আর্কিটেকচার যেটা
Architecture already described, na?
পিন
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ, sir.
কনফিগারেশন।
Pin
হ্যাঁ
configuration what have
কনফিগারেশন
addressing mode I already given to maybe the Aniket yesterday already given one
Yes, sir.
architecture picture, another is addressing.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
Shown in a screen.
Yes, sir.
So it's a register addressing mode. It is nothing but a this is nothing but a immediate addressing mode. This is nothing but a direct addressing mode. This is nothing but a index addressing mode. If SI is replaced by BX, then it's just like a register indirect addressing mode. Go down.
Yes,
This is the addressing mode of 8086. Please share with these documents with the others.
sir. Already I shared this document.
Yeah. Immediate addressing mode. Just see the example. Just see the example. What is the example? Immediate addressing mode?
Move AX,
No. This is not the next page. This is not the next page. If go down, if page number, this is maybe 1 and this is number 7, means there is another page. Go down. Go down. No, page number is missing. Page number is missing. Go down. Anything is else is there? Yes. This page. Yes. Just see first page, then this page. Immediate
sir.
addressing mode. What are the example? Move AX, comma 0005 or move BL, comma 06. Means AX will be 0005 after the instruction or BL will be 06 after the instruction. So this is the example of immediate addressing mode. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Direct addressing mode, just see, just like move BX, comma at the within third bracket 1334, like move AX, comma within third bracket 5000H. Okay,
Mm.
and in 80 means from port address 80 to the data will be enter into the accumulator. That's why you may be right, you cannot, no issues. Only one example is sufficient. So move AX, comma within third bracket 5000 is clear to everyone. Why it's a direct addressing mode? Because the operand is the content of a memory location, and memory location given in the instruction itself.
Itself. Yes, sir.
Memory location is given in the instruction itself.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Next, register addressing mode. Move BX, comma AX. Just see move BX, comma AX or any other register like ADC, add with carry, AL, comma BL. So move BX, comma AX means the content of AX will be copied into the BX. So register
Yes.
to register. So this is a register addressing mode. Register indirect. Move AX, comma within third bracket BX, whatever I told. Just see move AX, comma within third bracket BX.
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 BX means it may be AX, it may be H, it may be AL, it may be CH, whatever it is, right? It's
Yes,
called
sir.
register indirect addressing mode. Index, why it's called index? Because there is a SI or DI is involved. Means source index and destination index is involved. That's why it's called index addressing mode. Basically, it's also a register indirect addressing mode. It's also a register indirect addressing mode. But why I'm telling about this index, because it's a involve of SI and DI. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Register relative, it's a very, very important page number. Go to the page number 2. Page number 2.
মানে যেখানে 7 ছিল
This one. This is the example of 6. Example 2.6 means it's a for 6. Move AX, comma 50. So what is the functions of move AX, comma 50? It's a very, very important. Listen very carefully. Move whatever is mentioning, I'm just explaining this one. Move AX, comma 50H, comma within third bracket BX. Sir, if BX is not there, if 50H is not there, what will be happen? If 50H is not there, tell me, what are the function of these instructions?
AX, comma within third bracket SI.
Same function it will be. So what are the move AX, comma within third bracket BX? What are the functions?
So
What are the meaning of
50
third bracket? I have given so many example. So what are the meaning of third bracket? Third bracket means the data will be copied from
accumulator.
data will be copied from BX register.
BX register.
আচ্ছা
The data will be copied from
BX register.
from memory locations.
Achha.
And BX is nothing but a store the memory locations only. So first generate the physical address with DS and BX. Physical address by DS and BX. Say DS is 1000 So DS is a 1000, right?
Hmm.
So what will be the, you know, and say BX is 2000. So what are the physical address?
1000, 10,000 plus 2, 12,000.
12,000. So 12,000 there is a data is a 1 2 and 12,000 1 a
1.
data 0 1, right?
Hmm.
So AX will be 0 1 1 2. Okay.
Hmm.
But what will be happened if 50H like that? If it's a BX, X comma within third bracket BX, then the instructions like that. If it is a there is a 50H, then what will be happen? Then this 12,000 also added with a 50. So what will be the answer? 12050.
12,050.
1, 2,
Hmm.
0.
So the content of 12050, say this it's a AB, and 12051 it's a CD. So AX will be CD and AB. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is the function actually. Means why it's called relative? Because whatever the physical address you are generating, what are the physical address you are generating, there is a 12,000, with that 50H will be added. 50H will be added. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So next is a relative
Yes, sir.
base index. Relative base index, it's also another very important one. Here physical address generated by, so what are the example is given? Move AX comma 50H within third bracket
BX.
BX, next within third bracket SI. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here physical address generated by first maybe first added with these three, means say BX content is 1 2 3 4, say SI content is say 1000. So 1 2 3 4 1000 plus 50. If I'm added, then 4 8 2 2, right? 2284.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Then physical address generated by DS and 2284, right? So DS is 4000. So what will be happen? 4000 into 10, so 40,000. Okay,
Hmm.
40,000 plus 2284, 48224. So 42,284. Okay.
Hmm, sir.
Okay, sir.
So what will be the next job? 42,284. Say the data is AB. 42,285. Say data is CD.
CD.
It's coming into the AX, that is in H and AL, CD and AB.
AB.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Huh,
So
sir.
what are the functions over here? It's a base index. Base means this one is base, this is the index,
Hmm.
and this is a relative. So relative base index.
Base index. Okay, sir.
All are added and then generate the physical address. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the 8 addressing mode. First 8.
Hmm.
Another 4 is there.
Okay.
Another 4 is there. What is another 4? What is another 4? Say I'm write a program into the CS and IP. Okay. Program always written in CS and IP. So this is the program. Okay. This program, I want to jump from this line to that line. Means within the segment. Means within the same segment CS and IP. This is called segment register. Within the same segment. Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm repeat once again.
Yes, sir.
I will be jump from these to same segment. Same segment. Means ये जो CSIP है इसी का अंदर जो वैल्यू है उसी के अंदर कोई जगह से कोई दूसरा जगह में जाएंगे इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं इंट्रा सेगमेंट जंप. इंट्रा सेगमेंट जंप. Right? Means
Yes, sir.
within the segment it will be jump. Okay. Next, say there is a CSN IP. I have another CSN IP like a loop program. Like a loop program means I want here another program. I want to jump just like a call and coming over here. Means into the another CSIP. We differ from this CSIP to another CSIP. Means sir, after this BTech, what you will be do?
Maybe job.
Maybe MTech. Then your fight will be with the other colleges.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
you
sir.
are fighting for the number, you are fighting for the job, whatever. Means within your college students, means with your electrical engineering student. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's a call intra segment. Means within your college. Whenever you are
Yes,
you are given exam, means say your internal exam. What is happening in the internal exam? You top in the internal exam. What does it mean? In the college you are topper, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But in the semester exam you are the topper. Say NPTEL you are the topper. What does it mean? You topper among all the students, right? Means it's a not say intra segment, it will be inter segment. Means from one to another. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
intra segment
Yes, sir.
means intra segment means jump within the segment, and inter segment means jump from this segment to any other segment. Jump this segment to any other segment. So it's a call inter segment. It's a clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where I want to
Yes, sir.
jump. Where I want to jump means say I want to jump in this say over here. So the locations like that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 9, 4. This is the value of CS. This is the value of IP. I want to jump from this location to that locations. This locations is CS value is 4, 5, 6, 7 and IP value is 8, 5, 9, 4, right? These four address, these four data, if given in the instruction itself, if four data given in the instructions itself, then it's a call inter-segment direct. Intra-segment direct. If this is given in the any memory locations and you are given indirectly, then it's a call intra-segment indirect. Similarly, from this CSIP to another CSIP, this CSIP to another CSIP, if the address given in the instruction itself, it's a call inter-segment direct. And if in a different memory location, then is called inter-segment indirect. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, go down. Just see, nine number example. 9 number example. Just see JMP short level. JMP short level. Short level is a very important one. I think about it will be discussed later on. Short address means there is an address. Means
Mhm.
jump from this location to this location. Short address I will be discussed later on after this, because this is a new thing. So means jump from this location to that locations, whatever the locations, it will be given in the instruction. JMP then address, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So it's indicate that it will be jump within the segment. Jump within the segment, it's called intra segment direct. Okay, intra segment indirect means, so just see the example JMP BX. What does mean the third bracket in BX? It will be treated as a,
The
it will be treated as a,
That look, I
it
mean
will be
that
treated as an
register
offset
store the
register.
memory location.
It will be treated as an offset register and generate a physical address, and this physical address, there is a data from where it will be jump, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
the
Yes, sir.
instruction are basically same. Jump short level and jump BX instruction basically same. In the first instruction, it is given in the instruction itself, means directly, and it's a given in the memory locations, and the memory location is given with a register pair that through a register. That's why it's a call intra segment indirect addressing mode. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next, come down inter segment. Inter segment, not short level. It's a given 1000 colon 2000 something like that. 11. JMP, just see JMP 5000 colon 2000 means it will be jump. It will be jump. Say this is a 5000. This is a 2000. So jump into the 5000 colon 2000 H memory locations. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, আরেকবার বলে দেবেন?
Means I want to jump from this location to that locations. So the location is 5000 colon 2000. So I am written over here JMP 5000 colon 2000. Now you can think, sir, ये तो पहले लिखा था 5456785594. But उधर में मैंने क्या लिखा था? JMP short level. What is a short level? I will be discussed later on. But over here I am given directly JMP 5000 colon 2000. Means I will be jump from this location to that locations. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next,
Okay, sir.
JMP within third bracket 2000. It's a very important one. It's a very important one. What do BX replaced by 2000? Nothing else. So DS and 2000 generate a physical address. So DS is 1000 H. So 1000 and it's the 2000 H. So 10,000 plus
Plus
2000, it's a 12,000. Okay, it's a
Yes, sir.
12,000. So 12,000 memory locations 01, 02, 03, 04. Right? Just go down. It's a next page.
Yes, sir. 41, 42. हाँ, sir.
Example of 2.13.
13.
Five thousand is from where it is. No, this is not. Go down. Go down. Go down. Oh, no, no. Next, go up. One minute. No, it's not mentioned. No, it's a direct addressing mode example. Go up. Just go down. Just see IP LSB, then IP MSB, CS LSB, and CS MSB. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
In these format, the data will be stored.
Yes.
Means in the first, it will be IP LSB, second, IP MSB, third, CS LSB, fourth, CS MSB. What does it mean? Sir, you need like 5000 colon 2000H. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in these two, which one is a higher byte? Which one is lower? Which one is higher? Which one is lower? With respect to 5000, with respect to
5,000. 5,000 is the higher.
and
And
2000 is lower.
is the lower.
So just think about these two is a higher, these two is a lower, right? 0203 is a higher and 030. That's why this is a CS and that's why this is for IP. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Okay.
if I'm talking about the IP 2000, which one is a higher? Which one is a lower? 00 is a lower and 20 is a higher.
higher.
That's why IP LSB, IP MSB. Okay. Within this 5000, 00 is lower and 50 is higher. So
Hmm.
it's a CS. So CS LSB, CS MSB, CS LSB, CS MSB. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next, the sort level is a very, 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 very important one. Okay. Short jump I am not explaining today. I will be explained tomorrow at the beginning. Just remember the sort
Okay.
level because it's a very important. It should be
Okay.
learned by everyone. It's a very important one.